the assembly process here on this Stage 2 AP2 PuddyMod differential with a 390 ratio. Balancing's all complete now, getting ready to do its first setup. I'll have this thing probably in and out a couple of times before I'm real happy with it. But stand by, see how things go, see what we get on this first setup. Well, there's our setup. Really came in nice. Third time is the charm. Got a beautiful pattern. Even the transfer is dynamite. So we'll go ahead and blow this apart and then start setting up that PuddyMod solid steel sleeve. Alright, we are back with this Stage 2 390 differential. This is for a 2008 Honda S2000 CR club racer. And this is our backlash setting. We're at 2.9 to 3,000 consistent around the gear. Got a beautiful pattern here. The gear contact is excellent. I did a restoration on this, preservation on this particular differential and case. So it would have a really nice, clean stock appearance on the outside. Got a really good, super nice backlash. Very smooth, quiet. Factory assembly markings. So when this differential goes back into the car, it will look absolutely bone stock other than the PuddyMod decal sticker. Well, let's get this one buttoned up. Getting ready to put the cover on. How they come in, the process of cleaning them, the finished result. Original hardware restored. Here we are, 2008 Honda CR. This differential has been modified internally, but looks completely stock externally. Has a 390 ratio and PuddyMod Stage 2 rear with the solid steel sleeve in it, balanced assembly. Just looking really nice, really fresh. Clean looking. Nothing to see here, stock differential. But we all know better. All right, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next build.